Hey there, Sienciers! Ryder
and Val here for Sienci Labs.
We're here with the old man today to help him out, or is he here to help us?
We're gonna show you how we designed our mom a fun, simple, beautiful bathtub board so she can relax in style. Let's get carving.
I think I just lost my job. These two nailed it. What better way to say thanks to Mom on Mother's Day than to have the kids design her gift for her? Let's get to it. We have established that we're gonna do a bathtub board for Mom. Yeah. Obviously, I wanna make this sentimental. We wanna make it something that she's gonna love. What can we put on this bathtub board that's gonna make it lovely for Mommy?
Maybe we can put some words on it that are nice and relaxing.
Relaxing words, good.
Yeah, and maybe we can have some drawings to put on the board too.
Okay, so here we go, guys.
Woo!
Yeah.
You, madam, what are you gonna write?
I'm gonna write calm.
Knock yourself out. Cool.
Boom!
Okay, we got our doodles. All right, how are we going to get these onto a piece of wood?
We gotta carve it.
And we have to use the computer.
So how do you think an
obviously.
easy way to get them in there is?
Take a
Take a
picture and then
photo.
put the picture on the computer.
Easy peasy, you got it. Click. Click, boom. Get it? Click, click, boom. Okay, so I'm gonna email these over.
And then we gotta put them in a file.
We just happen to have this lovely piece of cherry chillin'. Ta-da!
Ta-da!
Use this kind of like we did. Get your thumb out of the pictures. Gentleman and lady, get your hands out. All right, we have your drawings done. We took a picture of the board so we can bring that in. So first things first, we gotta make our document, right? I've already measured this, I made that easy for you. 26 3/4, 8 inches wide, 3/4 inches thick. We're gonna go off our material surface, which means we're gonna do, when we're carving, we're going off the material, not the baseboard. Hit okay, little one.
Okay.
Okay.
There we go, there is our document. So,
Okay.
I want you to take the mouse and I want you to come up to this little guy here, please. Open. There we go. So there's our board. That's the board, right? Hello. That's crazy.
It's a little too big.
No, it's not. It's actually
It's
too
your
small.
feet.
So let's lock those two down. Double click on it. There you go. That's Ryder's. Just took a second.
That's mine.
There we go. Look at that. Layer 2. And then we're going to move layer 2. Oh, I have to go. We're going to go black and white because it's black and white, right? And then all of this stuff, you can't see what's happening yet, so hit preview and it'll show you what it's going to do. Haha! Your handwriting is now in vector format. No, hold shift and grab your image too.
I'm holding.
Yep, grab your image too. There you go. Now crop your image again. You'll see it'll do. There we go. Okay, 27 hours later. Vino?
Vino.
What else can we put on this board that Mom might enjoy to relax while chilling?
iPad holder.
iPad holder's that's a great idea. Actually, she would love that.
We can do like a wine glass holder so she can have a drink.
Wine glass holder. We've already got our tester right here.
Mom
And
likes candles.
does she?
Yeah.
Perfect. So we're gonna do, we'll do a little slot for the wine glass to go into, right? Because you wouldn't want to we could just put it on top, but we're gonna be fancy. We're gonna have it where it holds in there like that. We'll do a little cutout for a candle. And then we can do the iPad slot, or it could be an iPhone or any tablet. So an iPad is, I know this just because I've already measured, about 10 inches long. So now it did this way, but do we care if it's perfect this way?
No, we want it a little bit high.
Okay, so you can just like just this one now.
Okay.
Believe it or not, while trying to herd the kids, we actually managed to accomplish something. So they imported their images, we traced their drawings, their hand doodles, and then we did spend some time off camera refining those lines. So nothing major, but they definitely drove the bus. It was actually pretty impressive watching them just jump right into the software. And again, a couple of little tips from dear old dad, but by and large, they drew their images, they traced them, and set up the vectors pretty much on their own. Now, the video we did for Mother's Day a couple years ago, the wooden utensils, we used their names hand-drawn and traced, but when we did that, I did all the tracing. So it was kind of a fun full circle moment a couple years later to see them doing my job. If you don't know which video I'm talking about, we'll put a link to the Mother's Day wooden utensils video we did from a couple years back. Same basic idea, but you know, just another fun project for you to work on. The additional ideas that the kids had for the Mother's Day board to make it more functional were brilliant. I didn't actually poke them for them. We did in the video, but they already knew what they wanted to do before we started. So the bits that we used for that, if you didn't already know, Sienci sells not just CNC machines, sorry, we're stumbling through it, but they sell all your CNC accessories, so bits and all the other things that you need. So if you haven't checked out our web store, check it out, cnc.com/store for all your CNC accessory needs. All right, we are ready to carve this out finally, shall we?
Yeah.
Let's carve. That wasn't too bad.
Perfect.
Yeah. Not right now, B. Hey, do you just post the project for us? They won't care because they're not, I'm the edge of a bathtub. Yeah. That bevel worked, eh? All right, guys, are you ready to finish this video off?
Yeah. Hopefully you found this video super cute, fun, and helpful.
Art and drawing isn't really my strong suit, but this is simple and lots of fun. I think my mom's gonna love it a lot.
I agree.
Same.
Any call to action?
If you have any comments or questions, drop them down below.
Until the next one, see you around the CNC.
Good enough for me.